Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and today I will show you a couple camera tricks. I'm going to start about the best features that we can find in the settings, and after that I'll talk you about the things that we can make with standard modes like photo, video, and also with the more modes that we can find in this place. So let's start and let's go for the settings. And as you can see, at the first we are able to add watermarks to our photos. So when you tap here, enable this option, you are able to customize it. So for example, we can also add date and the time, and it will appear on the right bottom corner on our photo. We can also customize and add the author name. So I will type here hard reset, click here to confirm, and take a look. Right now I'm going to take photo. When you take a look on the left and the right bottom corners, we can find the watermarks that the photo was taken on the shot on the OnePlus by hard reset, and here we got also the date. The next option that we can find, here we have the volume button function. We can set it on the shutter, volume, or zoom. I can recommend you to go for the last option. Take a look right now when you switch to zoom, and when you press volume up or volume down button, we can smoothly zoom in to the 10 times or zoom out to the ultra wide lens. Okay, let's go back. In this place we can turn off this characteristical sound when you take photo. I'm not sure that you can hear it, so I'm going to put it close to the microphone. I bet that right now you can hear that shutter sound, so I'm going to turn it off. Here we can find the composition, so we can add the grid lines to the photo or video, and also the leveler. So for example, if you want to put something inside, I mean in the middle in the photo, like this plant, you can do it much easier with this grid line. The next option that we can use, we can find it in the advanced settings. As you can see, we can quickly open our camera by enable this option. So take a look. When I'm going to turn off the phone, I mean lock phone, I can press volume down button 2 times, and the camera will be open very quickly. When we scroll down, we can also find the shotting methods. Here we can touch to take photo. So take a look. You don't have to press on the shutter. You can catch focus in this place, and in the same way, in the same time, the photo will be taken automatically. In the shotting methods, we can also find the gesture photo, so we can show our palm and the photo will be taken. So take a look. I'm going to switch to the selfie camera, and when you show your palm, the photo will be taken after a few moments. And let's see what we get here also. I think that that's all from the features that we can find in the settings. And right now we are going to focus on the modes. So in the photo mode, we can simply tap whatever we want. Oh, let me just turn off this option called, where it was, in the shotting methods, touch to take photo. Okay, and without this option, when we tap on the screen to catch focus, we can quickly change the brightness level by moving this icon like that. So you don't have to use the Pro mode to change brightness level manually on your photos. We can also apply filters. So we don't need to get any external application from the Play Store. We can make it straight from your camera application. Let me just turn it off. I'm going for the original. Okay, and basically that's all. In the video mode, we can also change brightness level in this place, and also we can add filters. Let's go back. Let's go for the more modes, and as you can see in the more modes we can find one of the most useful feature. There's the ultra resolution. So normally when you take photo, it will be looks like that. Take a look. and let me show you how it looks in the ultra resolution. So in the ultra resolution mode, we can capture sharper and more detailed photos with the high pixel count, and take a look on the difference. This one was taken with the high resolution, and the photo looks like that. So take a look on the details, and this one was taken with the normal mode. And as you can see here, we cannot spot that much of the details, and we cannot zoom that close. We can focus on, for example, on this stone, and take a look here. And we can also find here the Pro mode, and in the Pro mode we can normally find more options than in the normal modes. We can find here, we can adjust our individual shooting methods. We can adjust ISO, shutter speed, EV, the manual focusing, white balance, and other advanced settings. For example, turn on the RAW format here, and as I said, here we can adjust manually all the settings like ISO, shutter speed, white balance, EV, and we can adjust the focusing. And I think that's all. So that's all the best tricks that you can use in the OnePlus Nord 2 5G camera. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.